Hey, what's going on? Aaron here. Hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out this particular website called CryptoLab, and maybe you're wondering, is CryptoLab legit? Okay, what is this all about? Can you really earn money through cryptocurrency using this particular app, or is it just fake? Okay, let's check it all out, right? Now, at any time, if you want to get my favorite way to get to $5,000 to $10,000 a month, 100% from home, just click the link below, and I'll share my favorite strategy with you. Now, on this channel, I've literally reviewed hundreds and hundreds of different strategies and ways to make money on the internet. Some of them are really good, some of them are so-so, but a lot of them that I've reviewed are just a waste of time. Alright, so let's check out CryptoTab to find out how good CryptoTab really is compared to other money-making opportunities out there, right? Now, CryptoTab is a very interesting website, right? What it is it's basically a browser that allows you to mine cryptocurrency in the background while you're actually just using their browser. It's very, very cool, right? I never really heard of technology like this. They've been around for a little while, and the way it works is you can just come to cryptobrowser.site, okay, /en, and it's basically called CryptoTab. And you can download it for free, right? And the way that it works is what you would do is once you download it for free, you can use this from anywhere in the world, okay, of course. You just use it as your browser. So instead of using, for example, Safari or Chrome, you would just use CryptoTab as your main browser. And as you're using CryptoTab and just surfing the internet, a few hours a day, in the background, it will be mining Bitcoin specifically for you, okay? It doesn't mine any other cryptocurrency, it only mines Bitcoin, right? So if you're interested in other cryptocurrencies, unfortunately, CryptoTab will not be for you, right? But I mean, it's pretty cool. Basically, you get to browse the internet. It mines cryptocurrency in the background while you're basically just browsing the internet, right? Now, the big question is how does it do this? Okay, so what you need to understand about crypto mining is it requires a lot of electricity, it requires a lot of energy, right? So when you download their crypto browser, what's actually happening is they're tapping into your power source, your electricity, and you'll find that when you're using CryptoTab, your laptop or your computer will generally use more power. If you're on a laptop and you increase the speed of the mining, you'll find that the fan on your laptop starts to buzz a little bit quicker. Your laptop gets hotter quicker. So it really is using more energy, which is really, really interesting, okay? So pretty cool little app right here, right? But the thing is that recently they've had a couple of problems. Okay, so first of all, let me cover a few more things before we cover whether this actually really works or not. Okay, so the minimum threshold for you to withdraw through CryptoTab is 0.00001 Bitcoin. That means you have to make 0.00001 Bitcoin, which at the time of recording this video is equivalent to 70 cents. Okay, you can see right here. That's not bad. All right, so in order for you to withdraw, you can withdraw once you've made 70 cents worth of Bitcoin, right? Which is really little, all right? Now, obviously, this is going to change as time goes by because Bitcoin is going up and down, right? But it's still very, very little. It's less than $1 for you to withdraw. But the big question is how much Bitcoin can you really earn for free, just from free mining, okay? So here's the thing, right? The reality is that you're not going to earn that much money from a mining tool like CryptoTab because all they're doing is they're leveraging one computer, your computer, to do some mining. And the reality of Bitcoin mining is in order for you to make a lot of Bitcoin or any cryptocurrency, you literally have to have hundreds of computers and a lot of electricity running through the network in order for them to do these mathematical calculations to mine Bitcoin. All right, so if they're just using one of your computers or one of your devices, you're not going to be able to generate that much Bitcoin for free. Now remember, they're also keeping the Bitcoin, right? Because how does this company make money? Well, they need to make some money too, right? They can't give everything to you, so they're only giving you a little percentage of the Bitcoin that you're mining in total. Does that make sense, right? Now, there is a referral program. So if you want to, you can refer people to CryptoTab. It pays 10 levels deep. So it's kind of like an MLM, all right? Which is interesting, okay? So if you refer your friend at the first level, you will make 15% of what they make, which is quite high, okay? Now, of course, you're not earning that much in cryptocurrency on a daily basis. Again, depending on what you set your crypto mining metrics too, okay, the speed of mining, and also how much time you're actually spending on the browser browsing every single day, right? But 15% on the first level is pretty good, and then it's 10%, then 5%, then 3%, then 2%, then 1%, and so on and so forth until 10 levels deep, right? That's if you want to recommend friends and family or people that you know online to download CryptoTab and to use it, all right? But you might want to wait before you do that, because there are some updates to CryptoTab which unfortunately may not be so good in the long run, all right? But essentially these are the two ways that you can make money. You can use it to browse and it will mine Bitcoin, all right? And then the second thing is you can recommend friends and family if you want to into the program, right? It's kind of like an affiliate MLM style deal, right? Now here's the thing about CryptoTab though, all right? So first of all, you're not going to earn that much money, okay? Please understand, with crypto mining, especially on one computer, and remember, they're still taking a piece of the pie because these guys need to make money too, right? And it's free, okay? I mean, you're doing it for free. You're just mining on your computer, so you can't expect to make that much money from this, right? We're literally talking about, a few cents a day in Bitcoin equivalent, okay? That's kind of how much money you can expect to make from something like this. You're not going to become rich. You can't quit your full-time job. I mean, it's going to take a long time before you can earn enough for this to be even worth your time, to be honest, okay? This is like extra side money, all right? That, it's like a bonus, okay? It's not going to, replace your full-time job. You can't travel the world. You're not going to become a millionaire, nothing like that, right? It's a little bit of extra money. That's great. It's free. You browse, you have a free browser, you use it, it mines Bitcoins for you. That's kind of the way that you need to look at a mining tool like this, especially when it's free and you're not investing in the mining devices yourself, which can literally cost like tens of thousands of dollars, okay? So I just want to set your expectations. But on top of that, unfortunately, CryptoTab is not doing so well right now. Now previously, there were a lot of reports of people being able to withdraw their money, okay? So they make $10 worth of crypto, Bitcoin, they can withdraw it. They make $50, they can withdraw it. Over a longer period of time, months, right? Maybe $100, $200, they could withdraw that, right? But currently, basically everybody's complaining that they can't even withdraw any of their money, okay? So that's a huge red flag right there. So obviously CryptoTab has, run into some issues perhaps, right? But if you go to Trustpilot, okay, this is a third-party review site. If you look at the CryptoTab browser, I mean, they've got 1.7 stars. And if you look at all the most recent 1 stars, right, like 5 days ago, that kind of thing, they're all saying that they're not being paid, which really sucks, okay? So worst customer service ever, literally drown you in auto responses, don't bother buying any boosts, they're not going to let you to withdraw it. I haven't gotten my withdrawal that I initiated 8 months ago. Okay. Worse is that they keep closing your complaints that you register automatically so that it looks like everything is resolved. All right. So a lot of people are not getting their money. They don't pay anymore. For the past 9+ months, I've been waiting and waiting and waiting. Created 10 tickets, made 30 withdrawal attempts every time I cancel and restart the withdrawal with no use. So a lot of people are struggling to withdraw their money basically, right? Like if they stay away, they don't give me withdrawals, right? Not paying out, so I don't use it, right? More than a month waiting for payment, asked several times, they only give excuses. Bye-bye CryptoTab, right? So, 0 stars, I would if worst customer service I've seen in my life, right? They scammed me out of $20, okay? So again, it's only $20. It's a free app. But look, if you're gonna be investing your time and energy into anything online, and you're expecting to make a little bit of money, then you should be generating that income, okay? So unfortunately, CryptoTab is going through some weird thing. I don't know if it's a straight up scam, or maybe they've had some serious issues in the background and they're not able to pay out. But here's what I would recommend, all right? CryptoTab used to work. There were reports of people actually making money before. That means it's not designed to make you rich or anything like that. Remember, it's free, right? So you're making free cryptocurrency just for downloading a browser, right? So you're not investing any money here. You're just using the crypto browser. But previously in the past, because CryptoTab has been around for a while, people were able to withdraw their money a little bit here, $10 here, $20 there, $50 here, $100 there, right? Over a long period of time. But currently, at the time of recording this video, they haven't paid out in 8 to 9 months. So if you're checking out CryptoTab, because they're still pretty popular, all right? And there's still people downloading this browser, right? And you've run across my video, I would highly recommend that you stay away from this browser because you're not going to get your withdrawals, unfortunately, right? So you're going to be downloading their browser, you're going to be using it, you're on the internet, right? Even though it's free, right? And you're going to be expecting to make Bitcoin, and then when you try to withdraw, you're not going to be able to get your withdrawals, and that can be very, very frustrating. Okay, so what I recommend is if you're checking out CryptoTab, stay away from them because they're obviously having some issues and they're not paying out their customers, and the whole point of using CryptoTab in the first place is to mine Bitcoin and to make a little bit of Bitcoin for free. And if you can't do that, that's going to be a real problem. So I would recommend just staying away from them. Alright, so that's my review of CryptoTab. I hope you enjoyed that. If you're here watching this video right now, maybe you are looking for a strategy to generate income on the internet. Listen, on this channel, I have reviewed literally hundreds and hundreds of different strategies and methods and ways to make money online. Some of them are really, decent. Some of them are so-so. A lot of them are a big waste of time though, right? Like I mentioned earlier. But out of all of them, I still think that there is one strategy for an absolute beginner, someone with no knowledge, no experience, to go from zero to their first $5,000 to $10,000 a month online, and it's a very specific strategy. Okay, so if you would like to check that out for free, I've got a free masterclass that you can go through. If you would like, just click the link below and I'll send you that masterclass and you can go through that strategy if you are interested in doing something like that. All right, I wish you all the best. Hope to see you on another video review. Good luck, and I will speak to you soon. Take care.